Hi, my dear ones. Hope you all are doing good. I'm Mahana, and I will be with you for the coming few days to teach you English as part of our BA training program. Children, you know that because of this pandemic corona, we are not able to get together, join together. Then let me ask, then how did you all get connected with your dear ones, with your family members and your friends? Yes, through mobile phones. Yes, very good. Then, yes, by texting messages. Then, yes, video calls are available now. And what about our classes? Yes, we continue our classes by online. So we know that we are living in a technologically developed world, right? Where mass media plays an important role, right? Yes. Do you know what is mass media? What do you mean by mass media? Yes.
Mass media, the means of communication that reach large number of people in a short time, such as television, newspapers, magazines, and radio.
Have you ever thought of the role of mass media in our life? Yes, today the television, mobile phones, magazines, newspaper and all help us to have very quick and effective communication, right? Yes. Then let me ask you, do you know how messages are conveyed, transmitted in the past? No idea? Then I will show you an interesting video. Just watch it, okay? So children, do you watch the video? How was it? Very nice, right? Then what is the video about? Yes, it tells us about different ways by which messages are carried. Birds, ponies, horses, etc. were used to carry messages. Children, shall we now learn an interesting chapter on a similar theme? Yes, so today we are dealing with a new chapter, an article, The Story of Messages. It is an informative article adapted from instant messaging, which appeared in the Hindu Young World. It tells us the story of the rise and fall of Pony Express. Do you know what is a Pony Express? No idea? Do you want to know about Pony Express? Okay, then let's get into the chapter. Take out your textbook and read carefully, okay?
The story of messages. Nowadays, when we want to communicate, we either email a person or send an SMS. Everything happens by the clicking of a mouse or the pressing of a few buttons. It was not so in the near past. Most people wrote letters, put them in an envelope, got them stamped, dropped them in a post box, and waited patiently to hear from the other person. Way back in the 1850s, letters went on horseback from the east to west of America. One freight company decided to speed things up by hiring 80 men to take the mail to the west on horseback. In 1860, the Pony Express was formed. The riders for the Pony Express were chosen for their lightweight as well as their riding ability. Most of them were young boys The route they undertook was a rugged one. It went from St. Joseph, Missouri to Sacramento, California, a distance of over 1,800 miles. Each rider rode a total of 75 miles, changing ponies at different stations.
Children, now I will ask you a few questions to evaluate your understanding. So, my first question is, what is the title of the chapter? Yes, the story of messages. Very good. And it is adapted from? Yes, instant messaging. An article appeared in the Hindu magazine. Very good. Everything happened by the click of a mouse or by the pressing of a few buttons. What does the writer mean by this? Yes, writer means that communication become more effective and faster by the invent of, by the coming of new medias like mobile phone, computer and all. So children, coming to the next question, under what circumstance was the Pony Express formed? Yes, that's right.
A freight company hired 80 men to take the mail to the west on horseback. Thus, the Pony Express was formed.
Children, now it's your turn to read the text silently. So while reading the text, don't forget to underline the difficult words, okay? Now tell me the difficult words that you underlined. Pony. Okay, pony.
Children, look at this picture. A pony is a small horse type, and the Pony Express was a mail service delivering messages, newspapers, and mail by continuous horse and rider relay between St. Joseph, Missouri and Sacramento, California.
Now tell me the next word. Freight. Okay.
Freight. Freight means goods transported in bulk by truck, train, ship, or aircraft. Freight. Charakku. Next word, rugged. Rugged means having a broken and uneven surface.
Now I will explain this for you, okay? So here in this first paragraph, it says that nowadays communication become more easier and faster by the invent of new medias like mobile phone, internet and all. But it was not so in the last time, in the past time. People used to write letters and put it in an envelope and get stamped and waited patiently for the reply. In 1860s, people used to send mails or messages on horseback. And a freight company, freight means charakku, a freight company decided to hire 80 members to carry mails from east to west of America on horseback. Thus, Pony Express was formed. And the riders for Pony Express was chosen on the basis of their lightweight and their riding ability, Mostly young men were chosen, and each rider rode about 75 miles and changed their ponies. Now I will give you an activity, okay? You know the meaning of pony, right? Yes, that's it, horse. So, make a word web. So, find out other words related to horse and horse riding and make a word web, okay? Do you know how to make a word web? Do you know how to make a word web? Okay, I will provide hints for you.
To create a word web, firstly, you should draw a circle or a box in the middle. Then you should draw some more circles around the central circle. Then draw arrows pointing from the central circle to the outer circle. And this is my version of word web.
Now I will give you another activity to write the role of mass media in our day-to-day life. So children, do your works on time and we will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you.